Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys read from the title, we are going to be doing an unboxing for my very first Boxy Charm. This is for the month of June 2019. Spoiler alert, I already used some of the products, which means that I've opened it already. This video is being made like at least a week after I received my Boxy Charm. I just couldn't contain my excitement, okay? Like, it's my first Boxy Charm, you guys. Super excited, and in today's video we're going to be talking about my very first impressions, as well as doing a look using all the products that are in this box. So excited. So if you guys are interested in how I use the products that I will be presenting to you guys in this box, stay tuned and keep on watching. So here are all the items. This kind of ripped, but it says Hello Charmer, and there are a bunch of items here. There are exactly 5 full-size products that you get with a total of $21 per month if you do the 12-month subscription with Boxy Charm. I know there's other subscriptions that you guys can do with Boxy Charm for, I think, less money or more money. Not too sure, just check out their website. And we're going to be going through all these products as well as step by step showing you guys how I use these products, and I'm so excited. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be talking about, just because this is the order of how I'll do my makeup, and that is the Tarte Cosmetics. This is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So right off the bat, I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's very tropical like. I love the color blue and all those deep tones. So we have purple, we have lavender, and a lot of light and dark blues in there, as well as the gold accent. So I really do think the item is very attractive, and the fact that it's round is very compact, and it could fit in your suitcase if you travel. So I do believe it's travel friendly. So this is what the palette looks like. Super pretty. It has your neutrals and your nudes, perfect for an everyday makeup look, and that is what we're going to try to achieve today. So I'm not quite done with my eyeshadow. I still have to do my lower lash line, but I want to do my face makeup before continuing with any more eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this primer, and let's talk about this real quick. So this is the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch in Soul. I've seen a lot of reviews on the Touch in Soul like original No Problem Prime Essence. I don't own that one, so I can't really compare the two. This is my first Touch in Soul primer and Touch in Soul product in general. I'm very excited to try out this product just because of the way it looks. Like, hello. So I love how silky and smooth it feels on my skin. So I'm going to be doing like a time-lapse version of my foundation and my concealer routine, but I just want to let you guys know what products I'll be using, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I am in the shade 332, and for concealer I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. Talked about this on my channel many times before. I love it because it just blurs out wherever you put this concealer. It's amazing. So now I'm just going to dust everything off. That was my bake. So I thought I was recording, but unfortunately I wasn't. I just quickly put on some blush. This is the L'Oreal Enchanted collection and the shade was Peach. So the next product that is in my Boxy Charm is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. This highlighter, as you guys can see, is thin, okay? And it also is very, very velvety, the texture, but it feels very nice. As you guys can see, I played with it a little bit. And here are some swatches. So I'm just going to take my brush and kind of, well, apply it on my temples and my cheekbones. I'm going to kind of do like a before and after. So this is a before. I have no highlighter on this side. After. I am glowing. So the last two products in the Boxy Charm of June 2019 are lip products. This is the lip liner and it is from Dirty Little Secret in the shade Pale Pink. And I have a DC Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss and this is in the shade Peach. I am incredibly excited about this product in particular simply because I have been a fan of Kristen Dominique for so many years, way before like the launch of her brand and anything about this. So I'm very, very proud of her and I'm so excited to be owning anything that has her name on it. So yay to this. So just like the shade color, which is pale pink, this shade is definitely pale for my skin tone. However, there's a good side to this, and that is that I personally believe that it'll help make like a nice little pout to my lips just because it's like a highlighted lip liner. So I like that. But if I was just gonna go out the door like this, I still would because I personally like my natural lip color. So a little bit of maybe chapstick over my lips with this lip liner would do me good. Anyways, so now we're gonna go in with the shade Peach with the Lemonade collection from Dominique Cosmetics. And I believe this is her second collection that she launched from her brand. By the way, you guys, this smells so good. If you own this lip gloss, then you should know exactly what I'm talking about. It smells delicious. So good. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. A whole look with my Boxy Charm from June 2019. I'm so incredibly excited to have done this video for you guys. I hope you guys like the outlook. Oh wait. Sis. I didn't do something.
A few moments later.
You guys, I was literally about to close out this video and I didn't even finish off my makeup look. Hello? So I did all my face makeup, as you guys can see. I did the lips, I did everything that I could literally step out the house right now. However, I didn't do my under eyes. Did you guys catch that? So I'm going to take this small fluff brush. This is actually from Real Techniques. And we're going to go in with these two shades. This one and this one that I used the same brush before for my lash line up here. We're going to do that on my bottom lash line as well. I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this small pencil brush. Can't even tell you where I got this brush from. I believe it's from e.l.f. don't even know. And I'm going to be using this gold shimmer shade right here just to kind of pop my inner corners. Just look at the difference, you guys. Okay, so now this concludes today's video. I used every product that the Boxy Charm June 2019 kit came with. I'm so excited to be subscribed to Boxy Charm monthly, and if you guys are not yet subscribed to them, maybe you should look into it because it's really cool and awesome. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and hit the notifications bell down below. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you guys are a part of Boxy Charm and their monthly subscription, please let me know what is your favorite product that you received from your box of this month. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.